Hi friends, let's see ratio and proportions. This is entirely different part. We are starting by series, so please make sure that you are watching from the beginning onwards. Ready? We will do by the first part. Here we are going to do by question based on proportions. First part we are going to explain here by questions based on proportions. Normally ratio and proportion comes most of the questions. Sometimes it may be different type of questions, but always we can see so many places we can use the tricks, but the tricks are mainly connected with the ratio and proportions. Ready? So we have to study very nicely ratio and proportion. So what do you want to do? Let's start the first part. What is that? Questions based on proportions. Ready? Questions based on proportions. Ready? So I'll read the first part. If A is to B equals C is to D, then A and D are the n terms, that means if you want, you can say as extremes. After that, the middle term, that is B and C are the middle term, that is means. See, A is to B equals C is to D, that means A and D are the n terms, that means extremes, and the middle B and C are the means. The middle term, that is means. Now one more very important, product of the end terms equals product of the middle terms. Product of the end terms equal product of the middle terms. So this is a series of videos. Make sure that you are watching very nicely from the beginning onwards. Most of the tricks we are using only this ratios and proportions. Ready? So let's start the first question. 3:5 equals 21 is to question mark, and we want to find out what is the question mark. Ready? So what you will do? 3:5 equals 21 is to question mark. So we'll write let x be the question mark. Ready? After that we'll write 3:5 equals 21 is to x. Ready? That means 3 and x are the n terms and 5, 21 are the middle terms. Ready? That means what is the condition? Product of the middle term equal product of the n terms. Otherwise, product of the n terms equal product of the middle term. So we'll write, this implies product of the n terms equals product of the middle terms. This implies product of the n terms. N terms are 3 and x. That means 3 into x equals product of the middle terms. Middle terms are 5 and 21. 5 into 21. Therefore, x equals 5 into 21. This 3 is multiplying, goes next side, divided by 3. Now, we can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. When you cancel here by 3, 3 sevens are 21. So we got it now. 5 into 7 equals 35. So the question mark is 35. Ready? See, it is so simple, but make sure that slowly we'll go to the higher level. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see the next question. 1.2 is to 3.5 is question mark is to 14. See, 1.2 is to 3.5 is question mark is to 14. Ready? So we want to find out the question mark. So what you'll write? 1.2 is to 3.5 equals question mark, we can write as x is to 14. Ready? This implies we can write 1.2 divided by 3.5 equals x by 14. I told before product of the n terms equals product of the extremes. That one even direct you can take as cross multiplying. That's the meaning. Got it? Before I told product of the n terms equal product of the extreme. This time direct we can take this. Ready? This implies, see, 1.2 divided by 3.5. 1.2 divided by 3.5. Both numerator, this upside portion is numerator and the downside portion is denominator. Both numerator and denominator 1 decimal is there. 1 digit is there. Actually, you have to multiply upside 10 and downside 10. Then this point will remove. See, upside numerator 1 point and denominator 1 point means direct you can remove the point. Otherwise, you have to do like this. 1.2 divided by 3.5 means, what you do? 1.2 into 10 divided by 3.5 into 10 equals 12. Without point will write, after that 1 0, 120. Divided by 35 into 10 means what will do? 3510. After that, here 1 digit, 1 point, 1 decimal, isn't it? So from right left 1, 12.0. Here what will happen? 1 digit means from right to the left 1 point. That means we will get only 12 by 35. Means numerator upside and denominator downside both are having 1 digit means direct you remove and write only 12 by 35. Ready? That means here we will write 12 by 35 equals x by 14. Now cross multiplying. This is the product of the extremes equal product of the means, isn't it? Okay. This implies this two multiplying. That means 35 into x equals 12 into 14. Implies x equals 12 into 14. This 35 goes next side, will divide, isn't it? Divided by 35. Now numerator and denominator will cancel by 7. Here also we are going to cancel by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. So we got it now. 12 into 2, 24. 24 divided by 5. I will divide it. 24 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. Balance is 4.0. 8 5s are 40. So the answer is, what you will get? 4.8. Okay, let's go to the next question. See, next question. Which number added to each of the numbers 6, 7, 15, 17 will make the resulting numbers proportional? Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4 and option D 3. Of course, it came in SSC 2009 question paper. Ready? See, which number when added to each of the numbers will make the resulting numbers proportional? That means what you will do? We will take, let x be the number. That means what you will do means we have to make it proportional, isn't it? That means we will take 6 plus x is to 7 plus x equals 15 plus x is to 17 plus x. That means what you will do? This implies 6 plus x divided by 7 plus x equals 15 plus x divided by 17 plus x. Will cross multiply. Ready? That means what you will do? This 2 will write. That means 6 plus x into this 2. 17 plus x equals, this 2 will multiply. That is 7 plus x into 15 plus x. Implies, we will open it. 6 into 17. 6 into 17. Yeah, 102 plus. Now 6 into x, 6x. X into 17, that is plus 17x into x into x, x square. X into x, x square equals 7 into 15, 105, isn't it? That is 105 plus 7 into x, that is 7x plus x into 15, that is 15x plus x into x into x square. Both sides, right and left, x square will cancel. Ready? This implies 102 plus 6x plus 17x. 6 plus 17. 6 plus 17, that is 23x. Equals 105 will write 105 plus 7x plus 15x. 7x plus 15, that is 22x. Ready? Now this 22x will carry to this side and this 102 will carry to right side. That means 23x. See, 22x comes to next side, it will be minus 22x equals 105 is already here, then 102 goes next side, it will be minus 102. Now 23x minus 22x. 23 minus 22, 1. 1x means just x. X equals 105 minus 102, that is 3. So the correct option is D, that is 3. Okay. Let's see the next question. If AB, BC, x and c square are in proportion, then find the x is none of this is equal to 0. Of course, the options are given. A square C, B, C square A, C, AC and D, A square, C square. It came in 2012 question paper SSC. Okay, let's start the work. See, it's already given they are in proportion. That means what you'll write? AB is to BC equals X is to C square. Ready? That implies AB by BC equals, these two will divide, X by C square. Now what you'll do? Cross multiply. Ready? That means these two. That means BC into X equals this two. What is that? AB into C square. Now, therefore, X equals, because we want the value of X, equals AB into C square. This is multiplying into, goes next side, divide by BC. See, B will cancel. Here 1C, that means 1C will cancel. Here C square means 2 times. From there 1 will cancel. Then the balance will be 1. That means we'll get AC. That means the right option is C, that is AC. So this type we are going to continue. So what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the second part. Ready?